What's she grabbing in there? Oh, she's coming back! I'm safe! I'm safe out here. We should stay out here forever.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Sorry, I lagged.
You're lagging. Lagging behind.
No, my computer's froze. I don't think my
Where's my
PC
shock
can
face?
handle this. I should just quit.
No! we gotta turn the electric on, Gigi. Come on.
Okay, there's a room in there.
Yeah. Go on then.
Wee! Oh, boobs. Look this. What's happening?
Oh, I just really wanted to
Oh,
get comfortable.
that was hot.
Oh.
Literally.
Yeah, the flames are hot.
That was
Careful.
literally hot.
This guy is loaded.
I don't know what's happening. I thought it was auto running and it really scared me.
A nice chair to sit on for a moment.
Oh, and, yeah, I love
To float
sitting.
on
Looks so
freely.
good. I'm looking up
There.
your skirt.
Hey!
Don't run!
Candles. Let's go. Oh.
Oh, he's breathing. Do you hear him breathing? I don't want to be a part of this. I did not sign up for this. Oh,
It's okay. It's okay.
oh, now I see why he's breathing. Okay.
Hello.
Boobs. Ah, the boobs! Boobs got me.
You did great, Gigi. You got through it. Yay! No, I'm still proud of you. I'm still proud of you for going through it.
Because I had Elizabeth Rose Blood Flame by my side.
No, I was honestly less scared because you were there. So
I was also
really
less
fun.
scared because I could stare at you all the time. You should watch my POV later since you made me put it up. You should look at what I was staring at.
The whole time, I feel like her POV is just gonna be like parts of my clothing the whole time.